Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can pay with Paysafe card on Epic Games. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, you will be on the home page. Simply select the game you would like to buy. Now click on the Buy Now button to go to the next step. Here you can either use the Epic Rewards, Epic Wallet or credit card. Select the card payment method and enter your Paysafe card details. After entering the details, click on the Place Order to make the purchase. And that's how you can pay with Paysafe card on Epic Games. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.